Good morning again, Malone students. This is also from the picnic time choice board that I'm making. Today we are going to make homemade lemonade. Some reasons people make homemade lemonade is because sometimes it can taste a little bit better than store-bought. And let's say you have a hankering for lemonade and you don't have store-bought lemonade at home. You can make it with really simple, easy ingredients right from your refrigerator that most people have. So what you'll need today, on choice board I have that you can use, I think I said 6 to 8 lemons. If you have it or you shop for it, that's great. It's kind of fun to learn how to juice your lemon and get that ready. Today though, I'm just gonna use lemon juice. I just think it's something easy to have on hand, and it's a lot of work to juice lemons. So you'll need 1 cup of lemon juice, which we'll measure out, and plain white sugar, which is already measured out. I have 1 cup in this bowl. And you will need a bowl of warm water, which I already have here, warm tap water. Just turn on your faucet and get a nice, it doesn't have to be hot, but fairly warm temperature, and put about 2.5 to 2 cups of warm water in there. And we're ready to go. So the reason we do the warm water first is because we're gonna add our sugar and our lemon juice to the warm water so the sugar dissolves, because if you add it right to cold water right away, all these little sugar crystals might just sink right to the bottom because the cold water doesn't melt them basically, and they just sink to the bottom. So you have to sit and mix and mix and mix forever just to get the sugar to dissolve. But if you do it in warm water and dissolve it first, then you'll have nice, cool, refreshing, not crystallized lemonade right away. So what we're gonna do is take our cup of sugar and add it right to the warm water. Here it is. And we have a 1 cup measuring cup here and lemon juice, and I'm just gonna give my lemon juice a quick shake. Get it all shook up there. And I'm gonna fill it up to the top for 1 cup. And put it in there. And you're just gonna take a spoon and slowly stir it until you can't feel the grittiness at the bottom of the sugar anymore. So we're just gonna keep going. Might take a few minutes, so just have patience. Maybe get someone to help you if you get tired, but it's totally worth the wait. In the meantime, while I stir, I'm just gonna tell you some of the other things that I like to do, especially if I'm gonna go on a picnic with my lemonade, is I use little mason jars. And you'll see these if you ever get homemade jellies or jams, and fill them with ice. And nowadays they make these handy dandy plastic lids, and so you can just screw it right on top like this, pack them in your picnic, and you're ready to go. Another thing that you might want to think about are straws. And most of the time we see people use plastic straws, but nowadays they sell these wonderful paper straws that are biodegradable, and so they don't end up at the bottom of the ocean. And they sell these almost anywhere, or you can get reusable straws too, which are also very handy. So any other type of water bottle though with a nice lid will do. So doesn't have to be a mason jar. They're just kind of fun. Okay, so now I feel like all of my sugar is dissolved, and you'll also need a pitcher. This is a 1-gallon pitcher, and I already have ice and ice cold water in here. So I'm just gonna take my bowl, add my mixture, and I kind of pre-measured. It's not quite a gallon, but it's pretty close. And can stir more, or I guess for me the easiest way might be just to slap that on, give it a little shake. Okay, and here I have another little mason jar with ice in it already. Fill it up. And like I said, I could put this lid on, stick it in my picnic basket where I'm ready to go. Other things you can do just to make your lemonade more interesting is I cut up some strawberries, and you can mash them up even more. Any type of berry would be just wonderful in here. You could put lemon slices, save some of the lemon that maybe you use to juice your lemons if you went and actually bought lemons. But yeah, you can fill it right up. Gives it kind of a little bit of a pink color too, which is pretty. So take your straw, give it one more little spin. You have a wonderful summer drink for your picnic. Oh, it's so good. You have a wonderful day, and I hope you get outside to have a picnic today.